FFIE stock analysis, Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in a short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. And as I'm observing Faraday Future intelligent electric stock, the price is definitely like melting, and that was already kind of expected. It all began here. Where is the link? I'll show you like right now in a second. But again, it's also like been in summer, like in the talks since summer. After I've seen this double break here, breaks beneath 212, and then like 2-hour range shifts here. There was like approximately around 187. Then it began, and I'm not saying it's going to zero, but all I'm saying is I'm expecting new lows beneath $1. I don't know how long that might take. It might take a few days, a day. I don't know, you know, I'm not going to put a time frame constraint. Sticking to a strategy that I've refined over 35,000 videos, thousands of dollars an hour spent on courses and mentors. And now, right, so this is when the video was made. This, for example, was made 9th of January. The first time that I'm capitalizing on that side. Like you can see, looking instant. Boom. It took me some. That's exactly how it looked like. Right? And boom. Let's check out the 2-hour chart together. Boom, there you go. So this is holding strong. If you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.